Okay, so we are going to create incremental data. For that, we go for the Power BI desktop and activate the transform data. Once you activate the transform data, you will go to the this area, Power Query Editor, and then go to manage parameter. So here is the manage parameter. Click on new parameter. Then set the parameter like incremental data. Simply okay. Required is date. According to the date, I will change list value. So I am putting here. We have a data of 2011 to 2013. So I am putting like 22 to 4 2013. Okay, 4/22/2013. Now it will take. Yes. And because of the date format, it is not taking month, day, and then year. Default value I'm choosing this one, and current value if I make this like maybe 12th, 38th, 2013. Done. Okay, so let's create an incremental data here. So 2022/13. Okay, now go to the order, choose the order, and then here data filter between or greater. Okay. Between or anything you choose, just between, no problem. So is after or equal to this date, which date? Any date, choose any date. After, maybe I'm going to choose greater value. I don't know what to do. Before or equal is after. After 14, after this value. And click OK. So only this data is left now, not the entire data. Now close and apply. So after that, when some new data comes, it's add from this after this data. Okay. So range, we set a range before and after everything. Close and apply. And then we can add into the Power BI service and configure incremental refresh. So just click on confidential refresh. Whenever new data come here, it will add from that into the Power BI service. That is the incremental data. Now AI visuals in Power BI. So I'm going to cancel. I don't need it. I delete this. Fine. And close and apply. Fine, no problem. Now we have a AI visuals in Power BI. Okay, so first is this one. Let's come to the new page. Now this is a composition tree. Activate this, click on this. It's activated here. Now I am choosing some of cells. Okay, so some of cells is here. Then category. Then I will select subcategory. Then I will select country. See, first cells. So click on this plus sign. It's asking high, low, or what you want. If I click on category, see all the three categories. Cancel this. Click on high value. So this is a high value category. Again plus high value. High value subcategories. Again high value. So high value countries. See, I'm going to make this bigger screen. Okay, you will see the data like this. So sum of sales is here, and I want to see about the technology. Sum of sales, high value of the technology. These are the phones, and these are the area where high technology. If I change, so sales, furniture, these are the high value, and these are the countries where high value. If I change this, low values. See, sum of sales, this is the high value, and after that low value, and this is the category, subcategory. Country is this. Okay. Uh, so this way you can use these things. Um, decomposition tree. So it's automatically uh, tell you about the high value, low value, like that. Okay. So low value, sum of sales, then country, then levels, like that. High values. So you will see the category, all the three categories. Then from here you can choose high or low, anything. And again plus high or low or subcategory. You'll see the subcategories. Then again country, district. So this way you can see the connectivity, high, low, anything you want. Sales, subcategory, category, and the countries. Okay. Then we have this key influencer. This is also good features. What this one, key influencer. Click on this. So I'm going to choose again sum of sales, then category, then subcategory, maybe country or something. So it's running. Wait for some time here. Running analysis. Yes, it's created now. So it's a key influence. Let me increase the size. So its visual is more. Here, key influence. What is influence sales to increase? So it's a AI features. What influence sales to increase? These are the features. Okay, subcategory table, subcategory copier, and these are the sales is more likely to increase when subcategory is tables than otherwise on average. So if I click on this so subcategory copier. Fine. Now if you want for decrement, running analysis. Okay. So what influences to decrease? These are the influence which decrease the sales. Category office supply, subcategory levels, subcategory fastener. So we will get the list. And sales is more likely to decrease when category is office supply. Okay. Then the otherwise on average. So average include like this. If I click on this, you will see this. Okay. Again, I click on the increment. Top segment. Click on this. So these are the top segment. We found 4 segment and ranked them by average of sales and population size. Select a segment to see more details. If I click on this, see, category is furniture, subcategory is not furnishing, not accessories, not chair, not phones. So in segment 1, the average sales is 679. This is 433 units higher than overall range. Okay, segment is this one, overall is this one. So this way you can see it's a top segments high. If I click on low, these are the low. So all the details. So these are AI features. It automatically adjust all the data and all the graphs. Alright. So this is called key influence and composition tree. Fine. Okay. So key influencer decomposition tree, smart navigation, anomalies detection. We can detect the anomalies. Find the pattern automatically. Predict trends. These are the uses of both the things. This one and this one. For forecast features, add a line chart, go to analytics pane, click forecast, set length like 30 days, confident interval and apply. So maybe this is the feature of premium or maybe service, okay, to forecast the future. Let's suppose we have a graph like this. line graph. Okay, so cells according to the date. So you already know how to create this kind of graphs. Okay, but I don't have this feature in Power BI Desktop to forecast the future. So see, in 2011, this is the cells. Then if I move 2012, this is the incremental of the cells, again 13 and 14. So even we can predict next year it will be increasing in same way. So we have a forecast option. Go to the analytics pane, click on forecast and select the length and confidence interval and apply. So sales prediction and demand forecasting. I think we don't have this. No, no such option. You will find it into the Power BI service. Then Power BI best practice. If you are using Power BI, we have to optimize the performance. How to optimize? Data modeling, like removing unnecessary column, proper data type, avoid calculated column. Instead of, we have to use measure. Use measure formula instead of avoid column calculation. Okay. Then for report, limit the visuals per page. Set the limit 4 to 8. In one time, only 5 to 8 people can see the one page. Use slicer carefully. Avoid heavy custom visuals. Then use drill through the instead of multi-page. Drill through is the option here. Drill through. Instead of using multi-page, use drill through. Then query optimization, use import mode instead of direct query. Import the data and then query, not the direct query. Because in live data, sometimes if you apply some formula and data will be changed, you will not get the result. So import the data and then the query. Reduce data load size. Filter data at the source. At the source, we can filter the data here itself. Then DAX optimization, use variable, avoid complex formula. If you are creating a DAX formula, you avoid the complex formula. Use simple formula. Use measure instead of calculated column. Then enable incremental refresh. Yes, we can activate the incremental refresh so that whenever new data comes, it automatically adds. Not the entire data set we need to add. Then use aggregation. Then use performance analyzer too. Okay. So if you follow this step, we can create a performance optimization or we have practice. So in this module, we learned about enterprise features of Premium or Pro, Power BI, data management, that is data flow, deployment pipeline, security level, AI forecast, and performance tuning. Okay. So this is module 9, and this is the last module of our syllabus. Okay. So now let's start with the mock interview and resume preparation part. For that, I need some break, 5 to 10 minute break. What do you think? Otherwise, for one class, we have to postpone for the 1 week, complete 1 week. So I have planned to finish this today itself. What do you think? Okay, no? Because for one simple things, if you have to wait for 1 week is too long, no? So after that, I can mark the attendance, fill all the things, and just please mark the attendance. All right. So give me 5 to 10 minutes. I will come back. So it's 10 to probably I will come by 10:10 or 10:12. Okay. Okay then.